What's up guys, so Realme has unveiled its Realme X50 5G, a true flagship, another based from Realme, and this is the first ever 5G smartphone from Realme. As we know, Realme's X series has always the best smartphones with incredible performance and best cameras. So today is the day when this device was revealed officially in China. Let's start with its specifications. So Realme X50 5G has 6.57 inches of display. This is the IPS LCD display with a side mounted fingerprint scan. So as we know that this is the LCD display, so it will not have the under display fingerprint scanner, and it comes with full HD plus resolution and also an immersive 120Hz of refresh rate. Yes, now this is the thing that was not actually confirmed before the unveiling of this smartphone officially, but now as Realme X50 5G has been unveiled and revealed in China, according to event, they said that Realme X50 do support 120Hz of refresh rate, and that's going to be an amazing true smooth gaming experience for us. Along with that, Realme X50 is powered by Snapdragon 765G, and this is the same processor that powers the Redmi K35G, and this Realme X50 has 12GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM. It actually do have two RAM variants with 256GB of gigantic internal storage. We have already seen some smartphones from Realme with quad camera array. Same is the case here. Realme X50 5G also do have quad camera setup at the rear side, where it features the 64 megapixel primary camera lens that will actually work by joining the 4-in-1 pixel binding process, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So Realme has provided every sensor in this quad camera setup of Realme X50 5G, while Realme X50 5G comes with a pill-shaped front camera design, and it has dual camera setup with a 16 megapixel wide lens and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And this Realme X50 5G has enough battery size of 4200 milliamps with 30 watts of fast charging. Support, and it will be done by Oppo's own-made VOOC charging adapter technology 4.0. And talking about operating system, then this Realme X50 5G will be coming with Android 10 out of the box with Realme's UI Color OS 7. That is the latest one. Now let's have a look at the pricing of this phone. Realme X50 5G with 8GB and 256GB of internal variant is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan, that is almost $360, while the 12GB RAM variant with 256GB of internal is priced for 2999 yuan, that becomes almost $432. Well, I think it is priced right for the features which this Realme X50 5G is backing up. I mean, just take a look at the features that we have: the 120Hz of refresh rate display, also the 5G experience, 12 or 8 gigs of RAMs with massive 256 gigs of internal and 64 megapixel sensor and Snapdragon 765. So this phone not looks cheap from any angle. If this smartphone will be priced same in other countries as it is priced in China for now, then this could be the budget flagship killer. I mean, really a budget flagship killer smartphone in its price tag. I hope you really enjoyed it. Kindly stay tuned for more tech news and reviews. I'll see you guys in the next one.